The shape is crazy simple. How can I show? I don't have. Okay, it's a golden one, but look, the shape is very simple. But as soon as I draw it, it was clear to me, it was it. I found it. So after that, I went to the studio and I tried to do it in 3D. And I think that day was the most beautiful day of my life because I felt the most beautiful energy from life. It was unbelievable. And it was nothing to do about me. It was about life and what I could share with others. So it was amazing. I knew that day something very special was coming up. I understood. And before that, I was doing poppies because of my poppies revelation. So that is the last one I have. But it's in 3D. And I was, oh my gosh. So I did a lot of exhibits with the puppies and I sold a lot of them.
Merci.
Avec plaisir.
I have one little comment. Not a question, is that okay? A comment.
Of course.
I just wanted to say that in this time, being alone in quarantine, one of the things that's brought me a great deal of comfort and pleasure is looking at the beautiful art I have in my apartment. I think, John, you feel the same way. We talked about that. I have art that I collected from New York, La Jolla, Cuba. But one piece that brings me a lot of comfort is this, I don't know if you can see it, the first little piece that I bought from Vero. I call her the Sleeping Mermaid. Yes. Looks like she's resting after a swim. And yeah, I mean, there's something about art. It's interesting to see artists right now that are just flourishing in the sense of not necessarily financially, but they're putting so much out there on YouTube and in every possible way. Artists are really coming alive during this pandemic, and art brings the rest of us that are not necessarily artistic or creative, it brings us so much joy and comfort and peace. So thank you, Vero. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Maria. Yeah, effectively, right now, artists are, because everybody's calling art to react, and it's a way, I don't know, to put people together. Art is for everybody. It should not be discriminative. So during this time where isolation is the only way to preserve each other, in the same time, art brings us together. So it's it's a very important way to share with people.
So
I'm sorry, John. Every day I'm receiving emails or text message about people thanking me to share my work with them because that brings to them something positive, something shareable, something positive. And that's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's the best gift ever. That people can feel it, and it's amazing. It's amazing.
So, Veronique, thank you so much for sharing your story, taking us from the depths of the plague and ending up in such an inspiring and hopeful of the future way. We really appreciate it.